Good morning, ma'am. Ako po si examinee number 004. Andito po ako upang kumuha ng oral practical examination at ito po ang aking permit. Maaari ko na po bang i-prepare ang gamit sa pagmamasahe?
Okay, may proceed.
Ma'am, handa na po ang gamit sa pagmamasahe. Maaari ko na po bang papasukin ng aking model?
Okay.
Ma'am, maaari na po kayong pumasok. There are 5 basic strokes of massage. These are the effleurage, pétrissage, friction, tapotement, and vibration. Effleurage came from the French word effleur, which means to glide or stroke. It is a repeated unbroken gliding movement following the contour of the body using palm, knuckle, fingertips, or forearm. It is used to introduce touch for applying lubricants and in each preferred transition strokes. Benefits: reduces stress, improves circulation, and prepares the body for deeper massage techniques. The first variation is one-handed. It has 3 sub-variations called the raking, ironing, and circular. Raking, using 2 or 5 fingertips together or apart with pressure. Ironing, deep, using palm, knuckle, or forearm. Circular, palm, gliding on skin in circular motion. The second variation is two-handed, both hands gliding on skin simultaneously. It has 2 sub-variations called the heart shape and the circular. Heart shape, long deep strokes using both hands in heart shape motion. Circular, one hand over or beside the other in circular motion. The third variation is alternate hand. It has 2 sub-variations called the raking and the circular. Raking, same as one-handed raking, but using both hands alternately. Circular, alternate hand movement. The fourth variation is nerve stroke. Feather light finger tracing from superior to inferior. The second basic stroke is pétrissage. Pétrissage came from the French word pétrir, which means to knead or kneading. It is a cycle of rhythmic lifting, squeezing, and releasing of tissue. Rationale, the hand is in C formation while performing the stroke. It breaks down muscle knots, improves local blood flow, and increases the range of motion. Benefit: relieves muscle tightness, improves circulation, and enhances flexibility. The first variation is one hand, simple thumb squeeze. The second variation is two-handed, which has 2 sub-variations called the praying hands and the ocean waves. Praying hands, fingers interlaced, palms squeezing upward. Ocean waves, gliding hands in opposite directions with compression. The third variation is alternate hand. Grasp and release alternately. The fourth variation is pulling. Palm or thumb pressure, separating while moving forward. The fifth variation is skin rolling. Lifting skin and superficial fascia, no downward force involved. Friction came from the Latin word flixio or fricare, which means to rub or rubbing. Compressing the tissues in several directions, sliding hands, open palms, fingers, or knuckles. Back and forth over the skin or deeper tissue layers, usually dry or without oil. Rationale, often used on areas that lack muscle bulk such as ligaments or tendons. Benefit, reduces pain, improves mobility, and breaks down adhesions. The first variation is superficial warming, also known as heat rub, palms moving briskly in opposite directions. It has a sub-variation called the sewing. Using the ulnar edge of your hand, glide along the scapula. The second variation is rolling. Hold limbs with open hands. Move back and forth from distal to proximal. The third variation is ringing. Grasp firmly while twisting in opposite directions. The fourth variation is cross fiber. Fingers movement perpendicular to muscle fibers with moderate to heavy pressure. The fifth variation is chucking. Same direction as muscle, tendons, and ligamentous fibers. Thumb or fingers move back and forth. The sixth variation is circular. Small circular movements that glide superficial tissue over underlying tissue using palm or fingers. The fourth basic stroke is tapotement. Tapotement came from the French word tapoter, which means to drum or to tap. Also known as percussion, a repetitive staccato striking movement of hands simultaneously or alternately using the ulnar surface of your hand, fingertips, cup palm, or loosely closed fist. Rationale may be applied through the drape or directly on skin, while avoiding heavy strokes over the kidneys. Benefits, stimulates nerve endings initially and helps increase local blood flows. The first variation is tapping, using fingertips of one or both hands at various speeds. It has sub-variations called the punctuation, pulsing, or raindrops. Punctuation hard hand tap. Pulsing, alternate deep light tap. Raindrops, very light fingertips tap on skin at different times. The second variation is pinchment. Skin is lifted by grasping quickly at the point of striking. The third variation is hacking. Chop using the ulnar edge of one or both hands with fingers relaxed. It has a sub-variation called quacking. Strike using the last 3 fingers of your hand with quacking sounds. When done along the muscle, the benefit is relaxation. When done across the muscle, the benefit is microcontraction. The fourth variation is cupping. Cupped hands loosens phlegm in chest cavity. May induce coughing. Fifth variation is pounding. Loose fist beating with moderate pressure. It has a sub-variation called rapping. Palm down when applied. Sixth variation is clapping or slapping. Palm striking on skin alternately. The last variation is diffuse. Dahil po ang diffuse ay ginagawa sa tiyan ng kliyente, for demo purposes, pwede ko po itong gawin sa aking sarili. Lay palmar surface on skin while striking the back of hand. To diffuse force, move across surface. Fifth basic stroke is vibration. Vibration came from the Latin word vibrio, which means to shake or shaking. It is a rapid shaking, quivering, trembling, or rocking movements applied with fingertips or full hand. Rationale: performing vibration correctly requires coordination and practice. Benefits: relaxes tense muscles and stimulates blood circulation. The first variation is fine. Fingers trembling the skin, fingers and wrist rigid, gliding along. The second variation is jostling. Rhythmic and vigorous shaking back and forth. The third variation is coarse. Grasp at most proximal point and slide down distally. The fourth variation is rocking. Push and catch motion.